Hi everyone, and I'm speaking this tone, but I'm not bored of saying this over and over and over and over and over again because it's Road Rash 1996 by Electronic Arts. Let's go! So, here today I'm going to be doing the bike review, and the meaning of that is I'm going to take each bike and race all the bikes on the tracks, and I'm going to tell their traits, and this is going to make it suitable for the people, and it will be a good choice, and the options will be open for the players to buy which bike is suitable and good for them. So, and yes, today is a Saturday, and this is the surprise which I was talking about. So, thank you people for staying tuned for this. And from now on, Saturday is going to be the bike reviews, and Sunday is going to be the regular videos. And tomorrow, yes, definitely I'll be at the Pacific Highway level 3. So, here let me go to the restroom and load my game, Ronda the Rash. Here I see it, Ronda the Rash. So open the file and I'm going to go to the street and I'm going to go to the Rat Bike showroom, and here I see the cheapest bike, Pero Pico, $2,999. Let's see the traits of this. So it's 125cc Pero Pico, that's the model name, and here it's a quick Spanish built 2-stroke, turns almost too fast. So they're trying to tell that the turning is really fast, and it has all the power of a leaf blower. Yes, these 2 points are coincident, and here we saw the price are $2,999. $2,999. So here is 35 HP slash 200 lbs, and the handling is superb. As we saw, it's a quick Spanish build 2-stroke, turns almost too fast. Yes, that's why the handling is superb. The acceleration a bad joke, top speed another bad joke. They're trying to tell that these two are not at all good, and they're trying to tell it in a cool manner and trying to exaggerate it. But anyways, I'm going to race this bike, so I'm going to buy this bike. So congratulations, keep the rubber side down. I bought myself a new bike. So here I go through the bulletin board. I'm going to take Peninsula 17.6 kilometers level 3, and the reason being it has the mixture of Napa Valley and city. So we know how a bike goes in Napa Valley and how a bike goes in city, so it's a mixture. So that will be a better choice. Don't worry if you'll win or lose again. Let's go, because it's level 3. So here we go. Yeah, come on. So yeah, I took level 3 because the distance would be good enough for me to show the traits of this bike. Level 1 and level 2 distance will not be sufficient at all. So don't think whether I'll win or lose. It's a rat bike, so it's not possible for me to have a rat bike and win in level 3. But I'm here to show the traits of this bike. And yes, definitely we'll be there at the Pacific Highway tomorrow. That's where we should make the win. Yeah, let's go. So I'm in the 13th place, and we see here the bike. When I just press the right key, it goes too fast. Left key, it goes too fast. Actually, when it's moving fast, it's like this, but when it's slow, literally it moves way like this. Very wavy. You have to be a little careful with that, but it's actually really great. The handling. Odega. Stupid police officer. What kind of police officers do these people hire? Oh, that's really unfortunate for me. Just move it, man. Yeah. It was unfortunate from my side that a car came in between. But what kind of police officer this guy? Come here. Come here. Try not too good, huh? Come, one more hit. Come here. One. Idiot. Oh, what kind of police officers do these people hire? Though, stupid people. Is he police officer or some time pass this thing? I don't even think these police officers are qualified. I guess not. Definitely they'll not be qualified. How should police officers be? Like strong, full physically, they have to come fight. Not using some stick like this and all. And get the stick snatched by a racer. What to tell? Anyways, good for me only. Get more O+ officers. Road Rash will grow bigger and bigger. As simple as that. So yeah. Today is a Saturday. Saturday. So here I'm in the 14th place. So yeah, actually coming back to the traits, acceleration is not at all good. Even the speed is not at all good. The turning, the handling is really great, but acceleration and speed are just zero, absolutely zero. If those two were good, speed and acceleration, then this would have been a masterpiece for level 1 and level 2, and as well as for a rat bike showroom masterpiece. Wait, Oleri, come here. What your train act too brilliant? Are you also a stupid cop, wordless cop? Oh, you also using stick, huh? All same style only will be fighting, no? Hey, what you trying to? This police officer little bit okay, little bit he'll do fighting. That fellow like this is using stick, as if that stick is going to do anything without he putting any effort on it. At least from the 14th place I've moved to the 13th place. Yeah, as I was saying, if this bike has good speed and good acceleration, it would have been a masterpiece. Mind-blowing bike in level 1 and level 2, and level 3 also it would have given a great fight indeed. But this is the biggest disadvantage, so it makes it the worst bike in all the 15 bikes which are there in Road Rash. This bike is not even good for level 1 also. That's why they made it so cheap. Otherwise, who will buy this bike? What, you think they'll buy it for $3,500 plus? $2,999 they have to give. Because if they make it that 3,000, no, that number will look more big. That's why that 2,999. A really good smart thinking also by the owners who are selling this bike. Spanish built stroke, they told, no? This bike will give me a stroke. What? I don't even feel like I'm riding a bike. It feels like I'm riding a bullock cart. 12.2 kilometers, 17.6 kilometers is the total distance. So Sam is right behind me. Oh yeah, Sam. Sam. Hey, come here, man. Where are you going, huh? Hey. Okay, go. We'll super bike as no. And you're still in 10th place, having super bike. How you should be? Super bike means first place. You have to rock and roll over there. And you're rolling here with a rat bike. Even rat bike and even this bike, this junk is going to give a good fight and almost going to defeat you. Or is it that you're too scared to race? Come here. What are you trying to act too smart? Come. Don't act like one big shot over here. Okay. I'm in the 12th place. Hopefully at least I get within top 10. Oh shoot, I fell down. Oh. Now I'll be in the 15th place. Don't worry, but this is not a good choice, players. I repeat once again, please do not buy this bike. Only the bike is good looking, like just like a ketchup. Actually, this owner is really smart. Once again, I want to say this: how they made a good looking bike, full good design and all that stuff. Really smart owner, yeah. Really. I want to give that person an award actually, in fact. Really smart thinking. I don't know what kind of bike is it. I told you, no, bullock cart only it is. Yeah, here we see boom in the peninsula. Tomorrow is a Sunday and we're going to be at the Pacific Highway. Once again, boom in the peninsula. Tomorrow is a Sunday, we're going to be at the Pacific Highway. Once again, boom in the peninsula. Tomorrow is a Sunday, we're going to be at the Pacific Highway. And here in the 14th place. Please do not make me the last place. Please. And here I lose, but thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you tomorrow at the Pacific Highway level 3.